going to cough, we cover our mouth using our inner elbow, like this. Now, can we try that? Can you try it? Now let's do it together. After, you can change your clothes and wash your arms.